doesn't look like a steam engine at all. He takes freight cars from farms and villages to the main line and is cheerful. He has a coach called Henrietta.